What's the meaning of can't? Can't. Can't.
Can't. Can't. Can't is a contraction of cannot and is used to indicate that something is not possible. It suggests a lack of ability, permission, or opportunity to do something. For example, if someone says I can't swim, it means they do not have the ability or skill to swim. Similarly, if a task has a deadline that cannot be met, it means there is no opportunity to complete it in time. Overall, can't communicates a negative outcome or limitation and implies that an alternative solution needs to be found.